we're going to talk about elevators. So come a little closer. So one of the things we want to look for when we're cleaning elevators are the door frames, the elevator doors here. Right now we've got this one locked off. We want to talk, make sure that these are clean as well. The stainless steel up on the other side, this stainless steel, the door frames. Okay. One of my biggest pet peeves, elevator tracks. Look at this one here. It's absolutely filthy. At first it does take a long time to get it cleaned properly, but once they're clean, it doesn't take long to maintain them. The other thing we want to look for is down low. You know, you don't think that it gets dirty down there, but it actually does. This is all caused by dogs, usually, when they're waiting to go out for their pee-pees. And all along here is usually from the mop. When the guys or gals are cleaning the elevators, they're not getting the stainless steel after they use the mop to make sure that it's nice and polished. You want to make sure you get the panel, right? Never spray on the panel and then wipe it off. Always spray on a cloth and then do your wiping. Make sure you get up top here. If you're short, make sure you use a stool so you can get all of this clean. Vacuuming at the end when you're finished is important because you want to get in the corners. See the dirt in the corners here? Okay, this wasn't vacuumed, and that's the result of not vacuuming. And then after vacuuming, give it a good mop out. You want to get things like this off the stainless steel, and I'm going to show you in a second how to do that. This is like spit or something like that.